Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to connect a domain to Shopify. Firstly, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Domains. Click Buy New Domain and enter your desired domain name into the search bar. If it's available, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Once purchased, Shopify automatically configures everything for you, no extra setup needed. If you already own a domain, in your Shopify admin, just go to Settings, then Domains. Click Connect Existing Domain and enter your existing domain. Just click Next, then Connect Domain. Shopify will automatically detect and guide you through connection steps. Once verified, your domain will redirect to your Shopify store. If you want Shopify to fully manage your domain, before transferring, make sure your DNS points to Shopify. Log into your domain provider and go to DNS settings. Change the A record to 23.227.38.32. Change the CNAME record for www.shops.myshopify.com and save changes. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, Domains. Click Transfer Domain and enter your domain, then click Next. Enter your registrar credentials when prompt. And then, if you want to forward an older domain to your new Shopify URL, go to Settings, then Domains. Find your old domain and click the domain settings and scroll down to Domain Forwarding. Now enter your new Shopify domain and click Save. Now anyone who types in your old domain will automatically land on your Shopify store. You can manage all your domains, including subdomains and forwarding, directly from Settings, Domains, and your Shopify dashboard. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.